Hey, welcome back to another project update out at Alfred. So where we left you last time, we're at polishing our concrete slab. So we've moved on quite a bit since then, as you can see around me. Let's jump back here a little bit and we'll show you some of the timber framing, and then we'll go for a walk around and show you the details of this home. So I've just popped down the side of the house here to show you the wall system on this home. So we've got around the outside of our Rylock aluminium windows here, we've got some WeatherTex cladding going on the outside. So to create our ventilated cavities on these walls, we've got our counter battens on the walls with horizontal battens on this link section. This is vertical cladding here. The main part of the extension behind me has horizontal cladding, so that only needs our vertical battens. But what that does then is creates our ventilated cavity up the wall and up to the roof. We'll show you a little bit more detail in some shots here on that after. But as you can see down the bottom, we've got our nice ColourBond starter flashing at the bottom with our bit of aluminium mesh to stop any bugs or vermin getting up into that cavity. But yeah, just ensuring that we're getting this home wrapped up nice and weather tight and airtight. I've got up here above me, you can see this big pipe hanging out of the wall. So this is actually a conduit for our decentralised HRV units in this home. You may have seen up at our Claremont project, we've got a centralised unit up there with ductwork that runs through the ceiling space to all the different areas. This particular home, we don't have massive ceiling voids. It's a big skillion roof out in the extension. So to ensure that we're getting adequate ventilation into this home, we've got a pair of decentralised HRVs that one will extract air in while the other extracts air out. Once the core of the unit heats up to optimum temperature, the fans will spin around and activate the opposite direction. So behind me here, yet to be constructed, is the roof frame for our alfresco area. This is going to be a really inviting space to entertain with family and friends. Up behind me we have some high level windows here with electric opening awnings. So the idea behind these windows is to provide optimum natural light coming in from the south, as well as be able to open to provide some nice ventilation into this space. Flip around the other side, you can see in these shots, the northern high level windows over this side ensure that we're getting nice light in from above the alfresco roof space as well. Next to me here, under this pack of timber, we have weighted down our stainless steel door drain from StormTech. So the idea behind this is our Rylock sliding door is actually going to sit inside this strip drain. That is rebaited into our concrete slab and connected to the stormwater system. This project has a polished concrete slab inside and out with one flush transition through. So this will ensure that if any excess water gets into this space and into the door sill, it can drain down into that storm drain and then out into the stormwater system. The chance of water getting into this space is very, very low. There actually will be a roof space over this for the alfresco anyway, but to ensure that if you're washing down this space and cleaning the windows or anything like that, that we don't want any water flooding underneath that inside the home. So this way we can foolproof the system to ensure that we're not getting any water ingress. One of the architectural features in the back of this home is the really big high skillion ceilings. Follow me through this way and I'll show you what's happening in the existing part of the home. Off to the side here, we've got our new doorway cut through into our master ensuite. We're also relocating the main access door from the hallway into this space to ensure that we've got a bit more practical storage area. That's it for a quick update here at Alfred, guys. Follow along for the next update of cladding and internal fit out.